startups are looking for opportunities in millets also, because the next year, that is 2023, is going to be the year of millets, accepted, adopted by the whole world. Millets are in more demand not only in India but also the entire globe. The reason is to improve the quality of food standards, hygiene food, healthy food. The demand is improving for millets. The startups in India are also trying to find opportunities in growing, storing, processing, transporting of millets. This is the opportunity to call for efforts to encash on global demand. Startups to look at innovative ways to boost the export of value-added millets from India, as consumers of the world oversee the millets as gold for reasons of health and well-being. The world will observe 2023 as the International Year of Millets, and India is the largest producer of millets. India is the third largest exporter of millets. India will host G20 meet next year. So India is being the largest producer of millets. Indian entrepreneurs, startups, exporters are finding opportunities to export Indian millets to the other countries of the world. But the key here is processing of raw millets and adding value to the millets. There was a large market overseas for ready-to-use millets. So the raw millets has to be processed to win the confidence, the quality standards, healthy standards of global consumers. It is not just software, pharma or medical services, but millet processing also presented a big opportunity for the startups to work on, to look at innovative ways of adding value and to look at areas including packaging as well as price and market discovery. This is the opportunities for startups to identifying the marketing places, packaging, transportation and delivery to the consumers. The exports of value-added millets will not only help farmers get a better price for their produce, but also will help India export to some more countries. So the value-added millets means processed raw millets will attract consumers not only from India but also from global consumers. That in this process, the startups are having an opportunity to process the raw millets to meet the needs or demands or healthy requirements of global consumers, identifying the marketplaces and ensuring the transportation of the processed millets to the consumers with better packaging opportunities. All these possibilities are available for startups in India in millets, in the millet sector. And not only the millets, if the more and more exports are encouraged and more and more exports are possible, that will lead to better price to farmers and that will encourage agriculture activity, and also the millets cultivation, which is more profitable to farmers. That will encourage Indian farmers to earn more and to increase their incomes and capabilities.